Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today is an exciting video because I'm going to show you what I got in my Ipsy Glam bag regular as well as my plus bag for December of 2022, the last Ipsy bag of the year. And what's super exciting about today's video is I actually am going to give away everything that I received in December of 2022's Ipsy Plus and Ipsy Regular because I just thought, why not? I haven't done a giveaway in forever, so let's do a little giveaway for the Christmas season, and I will have all the details on how to enter to win down below. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so if you want to see what is in this regular glam bag, you got to give this video a thumbs up. Yeah. Okay, anyways, so first thing in this bag is a fruit lip oil in the shade Watermelon from Sophia and Maybelle. Really gorgeous color. We love lip oils. Definitely helps with the whole, you know, dry season. Next up we have a Luna Magic lip liner in Bestitos. So there is a lip liner in here. I'm not gonna open it and show the color. I don't want to like open it and like, you know, I don't want to open it. So we have a lip liner. Next product in here is a Brighten Depuff and Firm Rose Tea Eye Cream from Biro, which is a really nice brand. And then we have from First Aid Beauty, the Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream. Very exciting. And then the last item in here is a mascara from Milk Makeup. This is the Rise Mascara. It has a little sticker over there, so like, you know, if it's been tampered with, which I've never seen before, but I do appreciate that. So we have a little Milk mascara in here, and that is everything that came in. Oop, I dropped it. Got it. That is everything that came in the regular glam bag this month. On to the glam, onto the glam bag plus. Hooray! Which I think these bags, I know a lot of people were like, why aren't these like Christmas bags? And I totally get it. But like this one's furry and cute. It's fine. It's fine. Plus, I don't personally use these bags for, say, you know, anything really other than like Poshmark orders or like gifting and stuff. Or like organizing. So, you know, to me it doesn't matter. But anyways, first product in the Glam Bag Plus, which I kind of ripped this a little bit, my bad, is these sheet masks. So this is from Patchology. We have some Serve Chilled Rosé Sheet Mask. Strawberry extract is in there, reservoir something, and hyaluronic acid. There's 4 sheet masks in here, which pop these in your refrigerator for like 15 minutes and then put them on your face and you'll be in heaven. It says formulated with antioxidants, that resveratrol, whatever word is grapes, and strawberry extract to help protect from environmental stressors, which can lead to early signs of aging, and hyaluronic acid for a mega dose of hydration. Oh, might we suggest storing them in the fridge, then pairing with a beach picnic, stacked cheese plate, and perhaps a glass of actual rosé? Off the charts refreshment. One could wish. Also, my lighting might fall down because I have 2 kittens that I rescued running around. I had 3. I got rid of 1, and I have 1 more that I'm gonna get rid of and find a home for, and I'm gonna keep the other one. But anyways, they just like moved my lighting, so I don't know if anything changed. It's definitely not in the same spot it was. But anyways, we have these. They keep moving it. Anyways, and then next up, we got some brushes from MOTD, and they're double-ended, so technically 4 brushes. Let's see, can I see what these are? Blush, and then highlight. I don't know. But we have 2 brushes, okay, which equal out to 4, which is fantastic. So we have those. Oh, okay. This product is one that I was excited about. This is from Tarte. This is their Quick Stick Shadow and Liner. We have the shade Rose Gold Luster and Brown, which is going to be super cute for so many people. You guys are going to love this. And then next up we have an eyeshadow palette from Ciate London. I am going to open this just so I can make sure that it's not like shattered or broke, because then that would make me really sad if like I shipped you the winner a palette that's broken. This is the Velvet palette. Super pretty color. And if I can open it, these nails don't really let me do anything. Goodness gracious. Oh man, that was okay. And here is the palette. We do have like a tiny crack right here on that shadow, but it still looks intact and good. And wow, does that shade look really pretty. Definitely looks 10 times better in person than on the internet. I think whoever wins the giveaway will completely be in love with this eyeshadow palette. So there we go. You guys get the palette and it comes with fingerprints. Yay. And then we have one more product, I think. Yeah, we have one more product, and it's the biggest of them all. We have this, which is the Cat Berkey Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream Essential Radiance, powered by nutritional science. Let's just see what this little container looks like. If I can get my nail in there. Oh, it looks like it's really packed in there. Oh, this is like a heavy, nice feeling container that I can't seem to even get out. Okay. Oh, wow. So this is definitely nice. It's very heavy. So here's the cream. Again, you're welcome. I'm giving you some fingerprints. Wow, this is definitely like freaking heavy, like 3 pounds. Anyways, that's exciting. Okay, so this giveaway will end 2 weeks from today. So today's Monday, November 28th, and it'll end 2 weeks from today. And I will DM the winner on Instagram or Twitter or on the comments, wherever. And yeah, and I'll only announce the winner on social media if they want me to, only because in the past when I've had giveaways, people were like attacking the other person, and I just completely stopped announcing the winner of my giveaways. So maybe I can start actually announcing the winners again. I just completely stopped, mostly because it was, you know, Jeffree Star giveaways all the time, and if you didn't win, they would attack the person that won and like try to assume I was friends with them even though I didn't know who they were, that kind of thing, and it just got me in a really bad headspace. So I stopped announcing who wins. But maybe since this is not like a Jeffree Star thing and all that, maybe I'll announce the winner and not just, you know, DM them and whatnot. But anyways, this is the theme. If I didn't say, oh, what fun. Let's celebrate. Let the celebrations begin. We're throwing a month-long holiday party to bring you all the good cheer and glam beauty, so swipe on a bright lip, slip on your dancing shoes, and get ready to revel in the most wonderful time of year. So yeah, like I said, all information will be down below about the giveaway, how you can enter, blah 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 blah. And yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.